Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have negative number 2 cosecant of 2s squared, negative with negative in here, you got positive. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. This one with the s we change by u du. So this one we have du. The integration of du we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.